Morning.
回家没？
回家没？
回家没了，快手掉了。
What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. So this is the official day 1 of Brew Asia, and yeah, there's no coffee at the event, so we are here at Larkin to, you know, get our coffee sorted out with the crew here. So I've ordered my drink. My first drink is 99 cents if you are using the Larkin app. And currently Koaman is struggling to get that. Mayao. He just couldn't order. Oh no. That's a lot of orders. We just had breakfast at Yakun, and yeah, basically we're gonna skip the first part of the program, which is actually the keynote. You know, they're gonna talk about this event, the history, and why they do this Brew Asia event, and the craft beer, you know, scene in general. So yeah, gonna skip that, and yeah, we're just gonna walk around, see all the vendors now, have coffee, and then there'll be another lecture at 11 p.m. which I'm excited about. So yeah, we'll see that.
I had a little 200 litre system.
Yep.
And they wanted to get onto a bit of a bigger.
He's planning to get a 200 liter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, so there you go. Well, so let's get back to that. Awesome.
Not every booth is as cool as
right.
this. Beer 30.
Beer 30.
Data
but
management,
the
is
fifth
it?
ingredient. Yes, data management.
Alright, let's hear about it.
Yeah, man. So as I was mentioning to you, we handle all tracking from grain to glass. So
Yeah.
for breweries that are using spreadsheets or paper logs,
Yeah.
we're eliminating it. So you actually can be in the system, whether you're on your iPhone, Android, laptop, mini tablet, be mashing in on the brew deck and putting your data in real time. So the idea behind it is to save the brewer time and optimize processes for all your departments.
Okay. There's another app similar to this, right?
So
There's another one. I've heard about it, but we never really used it.
No, okay.
Right, yeah.
There is a lot of production software in the market, but our system has been in business for about 7 years. So it's really defining on quality and actionable insights for brewers. Yeah, man. I'm gonna hold this for you.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, and I want to pass this to you. Chin told me to set something up with you guys so we can talk more about this.
They are this public brewing. They are quite huge in the quite a lot of production compared to mine. Mine is a 5-pack. I'm doing for like contract brewing for different brands.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
Yeah, so I don't really have my own. I have my own, but I don't produce a lot.
So people
come to me,
and you're brewing for
I
them.
brew for them.
Alright. Do you have a card or anything?
No, right. Okay. Yakima Chief. Let's go. It's going on to YouTube. All right.
Alright. It's an event tonight as well.
Hey.
At the same time, doing it at your late hot side, so 15 minutes before the end of oil, stuff like that, it works as well. I've had somebody tell me it works, they add 15 minutes before, and then they still add some T90 in their whirlpool. Yeah,
The aroma is incredible though. Like for a forest style,
they
forest
recommend
styles.
and it comes,
They added in
brings out
extra
even more
hops
of the notes.
to enhance the.
Because this is essentially still more aroma
putting on
concentration.
the event.
So
The-
there's still
I like
still want that flavor.
I like your cap.
Thank you.
Yeah. So
Are you
but it's
guys
much more
selling it
efficient.
or
So
what?
One of this is
We are
like
giving it to
10 times
anyone who
10 times
asks.
lesser than your
So feel free to tell me
T90. So
which
for example,
Sure,
this is
the
60
one that you're
grams.
wearing.
So yeah,
I'll get one. Yeah.
replacing
Choice.
600 grams of T90. So it's more efficient.
It is currently 10:30. And that's our first drink. Okay, cheers.
Is it first?
Yes, first. Free hops, guys. Free hops. Early morning beer.
Early morning, I haven't even done my breakfast.
Yes.
Hey, that's okay.
Oh, I'm excited to try this.
So it's again, I'm try it and see if you can notice
The difference. Yep.
Yeah, first through smelling, because this is the top note is mostly focused on your nose.
Đúng rồi, ra ngoài. Damn.
We don't want to see those kind of things.
Mango dessert. That's salad. Lunch looks good. Potato salad. I believe this is mango pomelo. Ooh, smells good. And some fried noodle. Other. 啥都買咯嘛，放咯啊，係咪？一見貓就到啦。後面啊，market 就買又唔黐嘅，冇人料。Normal milk.
Colour and also increase your flavours in the pack. It will increase shelf life by up to 2-3 months if you're adding antioxidants in pack.
Yes, it's really colourful.
The thing about this Tritonium malt is that it is a hulless variety, so like wheat. However, the flavour,
aroma compounds, and if you look here what sister company from the States are describing them. On one side you get this
Muy bien.
where's the
What a day, guys. Super fun, but super tiring at the same time. I'll just share more with you guys tomorrow because yeah, I don't have the energy left anymore. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Day 2.
It is amazingly smooth for how strong it is. I think it's 12 or 14%.
Damn, okay.
12%.
Just give me a drop then.
Yes. Because it's surprisingly
Thank you.
This stuff is insane. Also, these are really good, these hazy IPAs. I also suggest trying these. Pineapple sour, double bar.
Here at these Brew Asia events, and will there be categories that people can enter into Brew Asia for low or no alcohol?
Ciao.
And it's pretty effective. You can get a kilogram of that stuff for like $25. So it's like
Yeah, shape in.
but definitely the basic one today's helpful. But also we're from any grain on.
Is it ready? Who's the first speaker? Okay, we've got Mitch up first.
Got it. Just get the alcohol.
Panen, tiro adina.
But I think in a beer, it smells more like that.
Alright, day 2 in Brew Asia. Tiring, man. You know, I have been talking since 9 a.m. So yeah, it gets pretty tiring. Right now it's like 3:45 and I'm just waiting for the award session because there is a brewery from Myanmar who participated. That's the only brewery. So yeah, I'm excited for them. Hopefully they win something. If not, I'm still proud of them because they are the only one who, you know, have the balls, have the budget to participate in this kind of competition. So yeah, waiting for that. And after that, this 2-day event is done and I'll probably end the vlog and then yeah, wrap it all up. Let's go.
45 people this year, which we wouldn't be able to do if it wasn't for the help of our sponsors. Presenting.
Congrats.
And Brewer Wood Age and Wine by Dead Man Brewery. Silver medal.
Congrats, Kwame. Got the bronze award. Let's go.
The judges decide Just BT by Neon Cider.
မန်ဒီကြလို့ရှိရင်လေမှာဆွဲပြီးတော့ရုံးတက်အောင်ကြားတာအဲ့နေရာမှာဖြုတ်ပြီးတော့ဒါတော့ဆွဲအောင်
Morning guys. A little recap on the Brew Asia because last night after the after party I was totally knocked out. Anyway, first of all, congratulations to Barbaric for winning their, I think their first award, first bronze award for their cider. So yeah, congratulations on that. I'm so happy. Ran up to the stage and took photos for the team for that particular brewer. And yeah, it was just an incredible moment. Maybe mainly because we are the only one out there as Burmese. That's the only brand, and then that's the only you know, craft beer brand that represented Myanmar. So yeah, I was really proud that we got something. So that is that. And then let me just share with you about this overall event. I think first of all, if I have to mention, the organization sucks. The whole event sucks. The only thing that makes it better was, you know, bringing back people together and then seeing the familiar faces from the industry. Because okay, like you know, you're paying tremendous amount of money just for the ticket. You go there, you got a lot of restriction, and in Singapore I feel like everything is about money. Because yeah, we got like 3 tickets the first day, 3 tickets when you go to the conference. There's not a lot of option, right? When I went to a few other countries like Vietnam, Thailand, there are like tea breaks, coffee breaks, like the lunch was incredible, dinner incredible, that kind of thing. But then in Singapore, you get like a bento box, which the food is mediocre, and yeah, everything was just eh. In the way they rented out the space as well, so there were 2 conference rooms having 2 lectures at the same time, and then the only thing that is covering was a curtain, right? I can hear both of them, and then if you are at a location, if you are seated somewhere in between, in the middle, you can literally hear both of like the lecture speaking, and it was just not a good experience. Not what I expected this to be, like, you know, for this kind of event. So yeah, it was poorly organized, poorly done by the organizing team this year. So yeah, I was disappointed with that. But other than that, everything was fun as usual. A lot of new interesting things. Yeah, like example like AI brewing. So yeah, was a good 3 days, 2.5 days, and yeah, almost lost my voice last night. It was just crazy. So yeah, anyway, the vlog, this is the vlog. Probably end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys